Wailea. It's blessed with many incredible beachfront hotels, but which one is best? Well, that's what we try to figure out in this video. The top 5 beachfront hotels in Wailea are, from south to north, the Kialani, the Four Seasons, the Grand Wailea, the Wailea Beach Resort, and the Andaz Maui. In 5th place is the Wailea Beach Resort. The Wailea Beach Resort is a great hotel for families, and it seems honestly a little unfair to rank it only as the 5th best. It has an incredibly beautiful driveway entrance covered in old banyan trees, an open concept, and honestly a really fun lobby, which is a great place to hang out. The resort has multiple pools, most notably the Nalu Adventure Pool, which has 4 water slides, including Maui's longest at 325 feet. You can't fault this hotel, and if you want the best for families with children, well, this may be it. But there is no immediate access to the beach. You have to walk a few minutes to dig your toes into the sand, and that's why it comes in 5th place. Coming in 4th place is the Andaz Maui. The Andaz is a special hotel that stands out for being different and features a unique blend of Japanese, Polynesian, and modern architecture. The pools include 3 incredible infinity pools, each with ocean views, as well as an adults-only reflecting pool and a beautiful lagoon pool. The Andaz Maui also enjoys easy and direct access to the beach. So then, why only 4th? Well, in the grand scheme of things, its appeal is perhaps more limited and its design more polarizing than the others. In 3rd place is the Fairmont Kihei. The Fairmont Kihei is the most underrated of the Wailea hotels, or at least it is, in my opinion. The Kihei is Maui's only all-suite hotel. The resort features great pools and wonderful gardens. I love this hotel, even if the architecture perhaps leaves me a little cold. The pools and gardens are amazing, and it has the best beach in Wailea, Polo Beach, right at its doorstep. Coming in 2nd place is the Grand Wailea. The Grand Wailea is the largest of the Wailea properties and seems to have, well, more of everything. Access to the beach is easy, and in fact, the Grand Wailea shares the Wailea Beach with the Four Seasons Resort. And without doubt, the Grand Wailea boasts the largest and best pools in Wailea, and honestly, probably all of Maui. The Grand Wailea is in 2nd place despite having the largest spa in Hawaii and the best lobby, gardens, and pools in Wailea. So why? Well, it does lack the exclusivity and service of the winner, and it is more crowded than the other hotels. Well, we have a winner. The best of the bunch is the Four Seasons Resort. The Four Seasons is the swankiest of the Wailea oceanfront properties and is known for its service and exclusivity. It also has beautiful gardens, pools, and direct access to Wailea Beach. And if you love spotting celebrities, well, this is the place to be. The Four Seasons actually appears a little boring compared to the Grand Wailea, but if you like exclusivity, the best service and pampering, and you don't mind paying a king's ransom, then the Four Seasons comes in first. So, what do you think? Have I made a complete mess of this list, or maybe do I have it right? Please let me know in the comments below. For more videos on Wailea and Maui, please subscribe.